Hi everyone, welcome to Informatica support videos. This is Ravi Biradar, a technical support engineer from Informatica. In this video, we will learn how to run a job in ILM Data Archive. So today's agenda is running the different types of jobs, that is a live archive job, retirement job, and the standalone job. So let's see one by one. First one is live archive job. In this job, we will run a part of our production data to a file archive or the target database. So let's see how to create a live archive job. So log into ILM UI, provide the username and password, and click on login. Once you log in, click on Workbench and click on Manage Archive Projects. Here, click on New Archive Project to schedule a live archive job. Provide the project name, info, provide info archive demo. Okay, here you can select an action, whether you want to run an archive and purge job or archive only or purge only job. Archive and purge job will archive the data from the source to the destination. Once it is archived, it will delete the data from the source. Archive only is to just archive the data from the source and not to delete it. Purge only is to delete the data without archiving. Okay, now this time we'll run only archive only job. Select the source connection. We'll select test oracle source connection, and target we will select the data vault. So click on next. So here we need to select an entity. Select the archive entity, live archive entity which you have created. You can also search the entity by entering the name and click on find. Just select this entity. Okay. Here also you can assign the a policy, retention policy, and the role here itself if you want, or else you can apply them later also once the job is completed. Click on next. Here you can see there are different options. You can pause after each step, generate candidates and validate destination if you want. If you check it, it will pause after the step. I'll just make pause after validate destination, and you can also generate the row count report and click on publish and schedule. Here you can see there are two jobs scheduled. One is info_archive_demo, that is the extraction job, and file_archive loader. So this is the loader job which will load the data to the archive Informatica data vault. Okay, then click on schedule to schedule the job. So the job is running now. You can see the job is still running. Now the first job is completed and the loader job is running. So this is how we create an archive job. Okay, now let's go to the next step. Next step is creating a retirement job. So if you want to archive everything from the source table, and if you have multiple tables and you don't have any relationship between the tables and archive all the tables, then you can go for the retirement job. Okay, you can combine unrelated tables into one entity and retire them to the data vault. Okay, so let's go to the ILM UI and see how we can create the retirement job. So in the ILM UI, go to Workbench and click on Manage Retirement Projects. To create a retirement job, click on New Retirement Project. Okay, here you can name the retirement project name, Info Retirement Demo. Scope Demo. Okay, and provide the retirement date. Provide the today's date and click on Next. Here select the product family version and select the source and target connections. So here you can select the source and the target is data vault. So one observation is you need to make sure that in the source connection you will not use the copy to staging option, This is because you will not be using any staging schema, and you will not be using the interim table, so we don't need the staging schema, so you don't have to select the use copy to staging option. Okay, so then click next and then add the entity. Here you can search the entities by clicking this. So we can select any entity, retirement entity. You need to run the retirement job. Okay, so click on next. Here you can select the policy on the go and the role you want to assign, or else you can assign the policy and the role once the job is completed. Okay, click on next. Here you can pause after generate candidates, validate destination steps if you want, and you can also generate the row count report if you want. Okay, and click on publish and schedule to schedule the job. Then click on schedule. Now the retirement job is spawned. The job is running. So this is how we create a retirement job. So let's go to the next step. Standalone jobs are the jobs which are not linked to the archive job or retirement job. So these standalone jobs are run to accomplish this specific task, like creating an archive folder, creating indexes, okay, purging the retirement entities, okay, like that. So let's go to the ILM UI and run any of the standalone job. To run a standalone job, click on jobs and click on schedule job. Here you can see add item button. Click on that, so you will get the list of standalone jobs available. Okay, these are all the standalone jobs which you can run. Okay, in this demo I'll just run a create archive folder job. Select it. Once you select the archive folder job, it will ask for the destination repository for which you want to run the archive folder. So select the archive folder target connection here, select it and click on schedule to schedule the standalone job. Okay, here you can see the create archive folder job is run. The job ID is 130. It is completed. So this is how we run a standalone job. So far we have seen how to create a archive job, how to create a retirement job, and how to create the standalone job. So this is it from this video. We would love to hear from you. You can provide these feedback on this video by using any of these links. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.